Good morning, students of class 9th. This is the book prescribed by Angel High School. The name of the book is Living Science Biology. Publication is Ratna Sagar. So the first chapter is cell. Today I am going to teach you all chapter 1. This is a chapter name. The topic is cell. In earlier classes also you all have studied about this, that all living beings are composed of cell. We all know that the living being is composed, that is made up of cell. Now what is a cell? The cell is the structural and the functional unit of life. Any function performed by an organism is the outcome of the activity of cell. Here, this is the cell only which performs the functions. Any function which is performed in the body is due to a cell. Now, the cell in our body combines together to form a tissues, and the tissues collectively form organs, and the organs combine to form the organ systems, and this is our organ systems, that is respiratory system, excretory systems, reproductive systems, digestive system. These all are organ systems. All are made up of organs. Now who discovers the cell? Do you know who discovered the cell? It was Robert Hooke. He discovered the cell in 1665, and then in 1674 Anton von Leeuwenhoek made further improvement and constructed a simple microscope that could magnify up to 270 times. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. He observed a thin slice of cork under his compound microscope. He observed that the cork slice had a large number of compartments joined together in a honeycomb-like structure. He named this component as cell. And this was for the first time that anyone had observed the living thing consists of a separate unit called cell. First of all, you should know that Robert Hooke discovered the cell from the bark of a tree. He made a cork and then he observed it under the compound microscope, where he saw honeycomb like structure. That means join honey beehive, how it is made, this type of structure he saw. And then this was the first time when he recognized that these are the cells. Now, cell is the basic unit of life. Cell is the basic unit of life. Now, this we can also understand by doing an activity. Here activity 1 is to prepare temporary stain mount of onion peel to study epidermal cell. Mount of onion peel. For this activity we have to take onion bulb, forceps, watch glass, glass slide, camel hair brush, cover slip, knife, water, razor blade, mounting, needle, saffron solutions, glycerine and microscope. Now, the procedure is that we have to take onion bulb, discard the brown outer dry scales, that is we have to take out the dry scales, उसका ऊपर का वो जो कवर है वो हटा देना है. With the help of knife we have to cut the onion bulb into 4 pieces, and then we have to remove one fleshy scale. We have to remove it. Okay, now the two halves remain attached by a thin transparent strip of epidermal peel. Now when we remove this fleshy scales, we haven't to break it completely, and stripe of epidermal peel we have to take out gently. We will find that the thin transparent layer of epidermis is peeled off easily. Okay, using a pair of forceps we have to take out, we have to remove the peel and place it in a watch glass containing water. Why we take this glass watch glass in which water is kept? So that the peel will not be folded or will not get dry. With the help of a blade we have to cut a square piece of this peel and place it in a drop of water on a clean glass slide with the help of a fine camel hair brush. Make sure that the peel is perfectly flat on the slide. On slide we have to keep it perfectly in a flat mode. Now put a drop of saffron solution on the peel to stain it. Now on that peel, onion peel, we have to put a saffron solution so that the peel will be stained, and this we have to keep it for 2 to 3 minutes. Put a drop of glycerine solution over it to prevent it from drying, and then put a glycerine solutions so that your onion peel will not dry. With the help of mounting needle, cover the peel with a cover slide, taking care that there are no wrinkles or air bubbles. Now on that you have to put the slide in perfect way. Here are the steps. First you have to cut the onion into 4 pieces. Then you have to take out the fleshy scales like in B it is shown. Then with the help of forceps you have to take out the peel off easily and remove this peel and place it in a watch glass containing water. Okay, then what you have to do in E part, with the help of brush you have to make it flat, that is it should be in straight positions, and then in F here you can see that a cover slip is kept on that peel, and the care you have to take that there should be no air bubbles or peel should not be, and there should be no wrinkles. Okay, now here you can see, observe the slide under the low power of the microscope. First you have to observe it under the low power of microscope, and if you want to see the better result, better details, you have to increase the magnifications of microscope. Okay, then what you will observe, you will observe that you will see here the epidermis, onions peel here on the left side. Here it is cytoplasm, vacuoles, cell wall, cell membranes, nucleus. This you can see with the help of highly magnified microscope. The cell that you observe in the above activity are the basic building unit of the onion bulb. The cell of the onion peels are linear or rectangular in shape. Onion peels cell are linear or rectangular in shape, and all the cells are firmly bound together. It is joined together. All the cells are like onion. All the organisms are made up of cell. As you can see here, the onion cell. Similarly, in the same way, all the organisms are made up of cells and they are joined together. Some organisms are made up of one cells and many are made up of many cells. So this is how you can see in under the microscope the onion peels, and these are the parts what you can see in onion peels. That is cytoplasm you will be seen by you, vacuoles, cell wall, cell membrane, nucleus. Now you should also know about the microscope. Microscope, what is microscope? Now tell me, what is microscope? So microscope is an instrument which is used to observe objects that are invisible to the naked eyes. Naked eyes means how we see with our real eyes. The things which you cannot see clearly through your naked eyes can be seen clearly with the help of microscope. That means animal, whatever we have studied here, cell, bacteria, fungi and algae, you cannot see with the help of your naked eyes. This can be only seen by using microscope. Under a microscope you can see these objects clearly. So now microscopes are also of two types. It is compound